Today I will show you how to turn off suggested for you option on Instagram. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna load up our Instagram application and we're gonna go to our profile. Once you're on your profile, you're gonna click on the hamburger at the top right of the top navigation. You're gonna click on it, and from here we're gonna scroll down until we see content preferences. Now it's under what you see, and you can click on content preferences here. Now you can see where it says snooze suggested post in feed for 30 days. You can toggle that on. And once you toggle that on, it's going to snooze the suggested feed. Now, another thing you can also do is you can reset suggested content by clicking on it. And you're going to click on next. And from here, you're going to choose whatever satisfies you or customize it to your satisfaction. And it's going to reset the suggested content if that's what you prefer. Now that's how to turn off suggested for you on Instagram. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.